Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 8.4.4 LTS version on Fedora Linux 41. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to mysql.com, hit enter and click on downloads, then scroll down. See here we have the MySQL community downloads, click on it. Then click on MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the 8.4.4, but if you are unable to find the version here, then you have to go to archives. There you will find all the older versions. Then select the operating system, then select, see here we have the Fedora, select it, then select the version. See here we have the Fedora 40 or 41. If you are on Fedora 40, select 40. If you are on Fedora 41, select it. See, once we selected 41, see, it populated list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just download this RPM bundle. Click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 825 megabytes. Wait until download completes. This will take time. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal, go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See here we have the MySQL server 8.4.4 and this is the FC means Fedora version 41 RPM bundle package. So we have to untar this file by using the command tar-xf, then give MySQL, then use the tab to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. See, extraction is completed. ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages which needs to be installed. Control L, ls. Okay. So install them. Sudo rpm -ivh -nodeps, then star.rpm. -nodeps means no dependencies. It will install all RPM packages. Hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. Then hit enter. See, MySQL installation has been started. See here the version 8.4.4. Okay. See, we have successfully installed MySQL 8.4.4. Control A, just type MySQL -version. See, we have the MySQL 8.4.4. First verify the status of the MySQL service. Sudo systemctl status MySQL D. MySQL D is the service name in Fedora. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, MySQL is installed but it is not started and enabled. Okay, so quit. First start the MySQL service. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is started. Okay. Also see here it is enabled. Quit. Now we have to connect to MySQL. Now, but we can get the MySQL root account temporary password. cd varlog ls. See here we have the MySQL d.log. Okay, we have to grab this file. more MySQL d.log pipe symbol grab password. See, we must run with sudo. So give sudo at start hit enter. See, this is the temporary password for the root account. Now set the password for MySQL root account. MySQL, that is the permanent password. Secure underscore installation. Then we have to give temporary password here. Copy this one. Paste it. Password. Now we have to set new password for the root account. Change my password. No. Remove anonymous users. Yes. Type Y. Yes. Remove test database and access to it. Yes. Reload privileges. Privilege tables. Yes. All done. So we have successfully set the password for the root account. Now connect to MySQL. MySQL -u root -p. Then provide the new password of the root account that we have set now. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server version 8.4.4. Okay, we can also verify the version by running the command select version. See, we have installed MySQL Server version 8.4.4. Now verify the list of the databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create a database. Create database. Now verify. See, we have created a database. Let us switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use the keyword use. Then provide the database name. Now verify the current database. Select database. See, we are in the bank database. Control A. Now create a table. Create table. Now verify the tables. See, we have a table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. Insert one more row. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, Control A. Now we will see how to create a user. Before that, verify the list of the users. So, users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running the command select user from mysql.user. See, we have these users comes with MySQL installation. So, create a user. Create user. See, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Okay, now verify again. See, we have created user. Now exit from MySQL and connect with this new user. To exit, we have to use the keyword exit. Now type MySQL -u. New username is David-P. Then provide the password of this user. This is the password. That is like David8123. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the current user. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected to MySQL Server 8.4.4 using David. Now try to switch to back database that we have created. See, we are unable to connect because we have created user, but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Okay, exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL service on Fedora Linux 41. Control A. Sudo systemctl status mysqld. See, MySQL is running. Now stop it. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL D. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is inactive or dead. Okay, you took it, Control N. Also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root -p. Enter. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So, Control L, start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. Verify the status. See, we have started MySQL service 3 seconds ago. We took it. Also try to connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root -p. Then provide the password of root account. See, we have successfully connected. Exit. If you want to restart, just replace this start with restart. Hit enter. Again verify. See, we have restarted 3 seconds ago. So we have successfully installed MySQL Server 8.4.4 on Fedora Linux 41. So go to home directory, cd, downloads, ls. These files are not required anymore, so remove them. rm star.rpm, ls. See, we have cleared all rpm packages, but we have the one more tar file. We have to remove this one also. It is not required anymore. rm mysql give the tab to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. ls. So we have cleared the space. Okay. Until now we have connected MySQL by using MySQL client. We can also connect MySQL by using dbeaver or MySQL Workbench. So you can search for my YouTube channel how to install both MySQL or dbeaver on Fedora Linux. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install MySQL 8.4.4 server on Fedora Linux 41. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.